to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how smartphones are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Check the serial numbers on these microchips.
All greens on the glass panels.
Each electronic layer is precisely assembled by our automated systems, ensuring the highest quality and long-term reliability of the circuitry.
Check the auxiliary circuit gauge, it's reading high amber.
Adjusting the regulator now. Confirmed, stable, and back in the green zone.
Each device is refined and tested for quality before moving forward.
Every smartphone is checked for quality before leaving the facility.
And that's how smartphones are made. From start to finish.